Hello everyone, keep on proceeding. Now let's have a look what are we gonna do here. You have to just secure the hair in this manner, roll them up in this way, and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. You need to secure them up in this manner, just roll them in this way, and then you're gonna look it like this. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. Now just secure your hair in this manner, and then from the bottom you need to secure it like this. Cool, right? Now here what are we going to do? You have to get your hair, join them further in this way, and then what are we gonna do? You have to secure your hair in this manner, and then here from the middle you need to do it like this. Make a bun out of it and secure it with the help of lovely clutches. Keep on proceeding. Now here as well, what are we going to do? You have to secure your hair like this. Do it in this manner, and further you need to take the hair out and then do it in this way. This is gonna look absolutely amazing, isn't it? Now just put the stars ahead. Further here again you have to get your clutches, and further you need to do it in this manner. Now just secure your hair like this, beautifully securing it in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Thanks a lot.